जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम class 10. Today we are going to start unit number 15 and that is your chapter of electromagnetism. Electromagnetism, the combined effect of electricity and magnetism, which is known as बर्की मकनातीसियत. बर्क और मकनातीस का जो combined effect है, that is known as the electromagnetism. The study of magnetic effect of current. Magnetism and current is part and parcel. Where there is a current, there always a magnetic field exists around that current. And where there is a magnetic field, the effects of current exist around that magnetic field. And what do you know about current? What is current? Current क्या है? The flow of charges. Current means flow, बहाव. The flow of charges in a typical direction. For example, the flow of electrons in a typical direction, a unidirectional flow of electron is termed as electric current. Whereas the current due to the flow of positive charges is known as conventional current. It means there are two types of charges, positive and negative. So the current due to positive charge is conventional current, the current due to negative charge is electric current. The current can be conventional or can be electric current, but the poles cannot be separated. There can no one who say that there is one pole only, south pole or north pole. They are always exist when part as a part and parcel. When there is one pole, the other pole also exists naturally in a magnet. Suppose this is a magnet, here it is the north pole, here it is the south pole. When you are going to cut it into two pieces, again these two pieces arrange their particles in such a manner that there is a north pole and south pole in each piece. It means north and south pole cannot be separated. There are two kinds of poles, south pole and north pole. South pole and north pole, which cannot be separated, as written on the side box of your book. Fundamental difference between magnetism and electricity. What is the fundamental difference? Electricity can be due to the flow of one type of charge, whereas the poles are always due to the formation of south and north. Then comes another side box. Our body also has weak ionic current. Weak ionic current exists in our body, or due to this magnetic effect, we can acquire the shape of our different parts when we are observing the phenomena of MRI, magnetic resonance imaging, MRI. Heart and brain, these are the two main parts. Heart and brain, these are the two main parts, two main organs where significant magnetic field can be produced. Using MRI, doctor can diagnose the disorder in our brain and heart. When there is a disorder, go to MRI, doctor will analyze and observe, and then they formulate what is the difference between the natural brain and in disorder brain. What is the difference between a healthy heart and a disorder heart? Then comes a magnetic effect of a steady current, that is 15.1 article. Now we are proceeding towards it. What is the magnetic effect of a steady current? Now our topic is 15.1, that is the magnetic effect of a steady current. The scientist who studied this effect of current was named as Ampere, and Ampere also devised the Ampere circuital law. Here there is a diagram. In this diagram you can see easily that the current is flowing in this direction because this is a conventional current. The direction of the conventional current due to a convention is taken as from positive to negative poles of the terminal of the battery, and here it is flowing in this direction from positive to negative pole. There is a key here. You can inject a key here in order to continue or stop the current. This is a cardboard or paper or cardboard. You can make it at home easily. Cardboard. The wire is coming through the passing through the paper or cardboard in this direction. This is the wire of a conductor, and here its negative terminal. The wire approaches here. Here is the key. Now, according to Ampere, when the current is flowing in this direction, then there is a magnetic field around the current carrying conductor, and the lines of that magnetic field should be in circular path. They all are concentric circles. What do you mean by concentric circles? Concentric circles mean having different circles but same center. It means this is the center. This is a circle with small radius. This is a circle with bigger radius. This is a circle with the biggest radius. But all circles have the same center, so they are named as concentric. Co means combined. Concentric, which have the same center. Concentric circles. These are the magnetic lines of force, and you can find the direction of these magnetic lines with the help of the compass needle. Compass. Kutabnama in Urdu. Kutabnama. I will show you near the face of the camera after few minutes. These are the compass and are used for the navigation purpose as well as for finding the direction in different situations. So here placing the compass, and all the lines will be in circular form having the same center, and if you are going to sprinkle iron fillings over it, iron fillings, what are iron fillings? Lochum. These are the iron particles found in the sand, and when you are going to sprinkle that iron fillings over it, they will arrange themselves when the current is passing through the conductor in the circular form. Now, what is the direction of that magnetic field when the current is flowing away from you into the circle? You can find its direction with the help of a right hand grip rule. This is your right hand, this is your grip. Thumb indicates the direction of the electric current, whereas the curl of the finger indicates the direction of the magnetic field. So current here is flowing in this direction, in this direction. This is the curl. This is the curl. It means the direction of the curl is clockwise. The direction of the curl is clockwise. So here the particles arrange themselves in concentric circles in clockwise direction when the current is flowing away from you into the plane of the paper, and vice versa. When we change the position of the current emit from this pole. I will make another diagram and then you will consider it. So here in this diagram, according to Ampere, when the current is flowing away from you, then the magnetic lines of force or compass needle point in the direction of the clockwise situation. So this is the first part of the magnetic effect of the study of a current. Now we are going to discuss the second one.